Welcome to My Feathered Nest, and welcome to episode 2 of my Christmas home tour for 2022 series. In today's video, we are going into the farmhouse foyer. I used a woodland natural theme in this room. I didn't want to do anything too traditional Christmas with the reds and stuff like that in here, just because this is the room where other rooms kind of come off of it. So I wanted to kind of keep it more neutral in here. I absolutely love the way that it turned out. I love all the greens, the browns, the whites, and the blacks that I used. And I hope that you enjoy it as much as I do. I keep these two floral arrangements that you see on either side of the door up all of the time. I just changed that per season. But in order to reduce my cost, I will keep a lot of the staple pieces in the arrangements. So the greenery that you see hanging down, the lamb's ear, and then I always have a lot of greenery fillers in there. They're always there. And so I will just come in with some other touches, like the brown flowers that you see right there, that brown natural ball, and then those, I guess they're kind of cattails or something. I'm not sure what they're called. There were a dried arrangement that I purchased from Hobby Lobby. I would just add little touches to tie the theme of the room in there, and I just love them. I've thought about changing them out and maybe adding something different to either side of the door, but I just love it. I love flowers, I love florals. They just make me so happy, and I love creating them as well. So funny little story about my Mr. Penguin greeter here. This was actually my mom's, and I would always make fun of her so much about having this little guy. She absolutely loved him. And I think that's maybe where I get some of my quirkiness is from her. She always liked to have a little bit of quirkiness in her home decor as well. And so I lovingly put Mr. Penguin greeter there next to my antique dress form. And she's all dressed up, and she's got an apron on with the colors of the room on it, and she's there to greet you with Mr. Penguin. And I've thought about placing maybe a little candy dish or something like that with some mints in it on Mr. Penguin's tray, but I didn't have a dish yet, so I'm on the lookout for something kind of small. This antique wardrobe right here was a Habitat for Humanity Restore steal, basically. I got it for, I think it was only like $50 or less, but it did not have any doors on it. And so my husband built me those door frames, and I just added the chicken wire to it. It still needs some work. We're going to put some shelves in it. And I've got to put some handles on the doors, but I just love it. I love, especially for that price. And also, so here is a little nod to my friend Bev over at the Little Blue Fly. She uses a lot of little console tables to extend her Christmas trees. And so I love that. I love how she decorates, but I chose to use this plant stand that I had recently thrifted to extend my Christmas tree, and you can see that I had added one of the owls onto it. And it's neat. It's just a different element, and I'm all about adding, different things for added depth and different texture. And I just love the way that it turned out. So thank you so much, Bev, if you're watching, for that tip. I absolutely love it. And if you guys have not watched her channel, I'm sure most of you have, but if you haven't, make sure you check out the Little Blue Fly. She is amazing. I will link her channel down in the description box. Also, if you're interested, let me know. I did record myself decorating this Christmas tree, so if you're interested in seeing how I put that Christmas tree together step by step, then make sure you let me know down in the comment section, and I'll see if I can get that edited and up for you guys as a part of this series.
Christmas lights fill the city. There are people everywhere. The snow is falling white and pretty as I stroll on my way to you. How will you feel about packing up today? Leave this all behind. Go get snowed in somewhere, you and me. I would rather be somewhere with you, without TV or phone. Is it wrong for me to want you for my own? This Christmas, let the others miss us. Let's go get snowed in. Let's go get snowed in. How wrong could that be? Being snowed in somewhere, you and me.
I just want to thank you so much for stopping by the My Feather Nest farmhouse and spending some time with me. I hope that you have enjoyed this tour today, and I hope that you found some inspiration for your own Christmas decorating. I would love it if you would become a part of my YouTube family, and make sure that you hit that subscribe button and the bell to be notified of when I place new videos up. And if you really want to help my channel out, give this video a big thumbs up. It lets YouTube know that you liked it, you liked what you saw, and YouTube will then share it with others. I cannot wait to show you guys the rest of the farmhouse. I think that you are going to love everything else that I've done, so make sure that you stay tuned for all of my future videos in this series. Have an awesome, blessed day, you guys. See you in the next one.